What's going on YouTube? I'm back again with another video. My name is Ty and my blog is thexking.com. Hit you with another video, my third video of the day, and I'm on my lunch break at work. I'm on lunch break shooting videos, and that's what everyone should be doing for a side hustle you do at work. You could go on your car, your lunch break, 30 minutes to an hour, eat your lunch real quick and shoot you a couple of videos, put on YouTube and make some money. And that's the essence of this question I'm gonna answer: how to make $100 online. How to make $100 online, and that's easy. And I'm doing it. Shooting YouTube videos. I've don't get a lot of views on my YouTube videos. I don't have 30,000 subscribers. I don't got 3,000 subscribers. But right now, the more content I put on YouTube, I became a partner this year in February, and now it's late August, and I've made some money on YouTube so far. And right now, monthly on YouTube channel is very low. I'm making $71 a month on YouTube. Now that's okay. That's okay. I do these videos mainly from on my lunch break and at home, so it's not really spending a lot of my time. But my goal is to make $100 a month with YouTube. So let's answer the question: how do you make $100 a month on online? You could do YouTube videos. You can create your videos in your spare time, 3 to 4 videos a day. It'll take a long time to get there. So you gotta be consistent with it. But if you don't do it, a year from now, you regret you didn't do it. So you could create a video and then create video, and over time you could become a partner. You have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. So make content, be a partner, and then you can make you almost $100 a month, on YouTube. Yeah, it's not a lot of money. It's not a lot of money at all. It's chump change, but that $100 is proof that you can do it. Also, it could probably pay a bill, maybe a cell phone bill or whatever bill you may have. That it might pay a car insurance bill or whatever bill, cell phone bill, or it might pay dinner one night. But it's possible to do it. So one way is to do YouTube, and it's easy. It don't cost you no money. It's free. Everyone has a smartphone. Everyone I know has internet access. You can shoot your videos on your lunch break when you clock out, and you upload those videos once you get home on your Wi-Fi, and you burn your data up. So that's one easy way. Now it takes time though. If you don't want to rush, it takes time. But YouTube would be the perfect way. And I might do a update to my YouTube channel, show how much I made this month. So far I'm at $71, $72. So my goal was to get 100. Now if I can do that, the only way for me to do that, the only way I can make $100 a month, $200 a month, $300 a month, is to create more content. That's it. Just create more videos and make more money. Simple as that. So my goal is $100 a month. My next goal is $200 a month, then $300 a month, then $400 a month, then $500 a month. And these are my goals I set for myself. That's why I'm creating these videos. So the easy way of doing it is just to keep creating content. Don't stop doing the content. Someone's calling me. Just keep creating content and you'll make it. Keep creating the content, and you can make the $100 a month. It's not a lot of money, but it's some money. It pays for dinner one night. It pays for a movie. So just making videos. So that's my number one way to make money. You go start a blog as well, but YouTube is the way to go. Just running ads on your videos. And again, if you're not a partner, you can put some ads, you can promote some products on your videos and put some links below your video. You make money that way. So the ad is just one way. You can promote your blogs, you can promote your websites, you build t-shirts, you build clothing wear, whatever affiliate products, Amazon products, whatever you want to do. You also do that on line. You can do it on your YouTube videos and make money in that way. So I'll give you 3 ways to make money. $100 easy. YouTube channel with AdSense. You start a blog and you do affiliate marketing on your videos, promote products on your videos, and you make money that way. So it's a real quick video. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share the video, and I'll see you next time.